ever wondered how to keep your newly hatched chicks warm and comfortable? Introducing the brooder stove, the perfect solution for safely and efficiently heating your chicks' environment. The brooder stove is a specialized heating device designed specifically for nurturing young poultry. Let's explore its significance and advantages. Significance number 1: temperature control. Maintaining the right temperature is crucial for the health and growth of your chicks. The brooder stove allows you to easily regulate the temperature, creating a warm and cozy space for your little ones to thrive. Number 2 is versatility. The brooder stove offers a range of temperature settings, allowing you to adjust for the different stages of your chick environment. As they grow, you can gradually decrease the heat, ensuring their smooth transition to a more natural environment. Number 3 is all about safety. Safety is paramount when it comes to raising chicks. The brooder stove is specifically designed to minimize the risk of fire accidents, with features such as insulated materials and well-protected heating elements. Now, when it comes to the advantages of a brooder stove, number 1, we have energy efficient. With the brooder stove, you can save energy and reduce your heating costs. It is designed to provide optimal heat distribution using minimal power to keep your chicks warm and comfortable. Number 2 is easy to clean and maintain. Cleaning up after your chicks can be a breeze with the brooder stove. Its removable trays and easy to access interior make it simple to keep your brooder area clean and hygienic. Advantage number 3: durable and long lasting. When it comes to the brooder stove, it is built to withstand years of its use. Its sturdy construction and high quality materials ensure durability, giving you a peace of mind knowing that your investment will last. So, whether you are a seasoned poultry farmer or just starting your backyard chicken venture, the brooder stove is a reliable tool that ensures your chicks' well-being. Give your adorable feathered friends the warmth they need. Investment in a brooder stove today is just as important as anything else. The brooder stove, this is the perfect solution for your chicks' eating needs. Thank you for watching this video. With my Raise a Chick Africa, and our motto is developing everyone. Please like, comment, subscribe if you're new here. Bye bye for now. See you in the next video.